Man, how you feel, Martin?
Hey, I feel good, satisfied customer. Broke down coming from Atlanta to Jacksonville. Got my man Fred, man. Did a well job for me on the exhaust piece. We good to go. I was losing my turbo boost and everything. We ready to go, man.
Yes,
good
sir.
job. Hey, satisfied customer, 5 stars.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you always, man.
All right.
Good to see you again, man. You ready to get back on the road? Rain and all, we got him done. Let's get satisfied customer. About to go to work. That's how we do. Not UPS, FedEx. Just got him done. He ready to go. There it is. Snapped in. Let's go. He out of here. He has to deliver a load. Rain and all. Look at that. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's been pouring. Flooded. All right, now. All right. Thank you.